A home is one of the biggest, most exciting decisions you'll ever make. WHEDA can guide you toward your future home with loan programs tailored to your individual needs. WHEDA stands for Wisconsin Housing and Economic Development Authority. As the Housing Finance Authority for the state of Wisconsin, we help today's renters become tomorrow's homeowners through unique programs. Homeownership can happen in 6 simple steps with WHEDA. Learn those steps in detail and how WHEDA guides you through them by attending one of our free first-time homebuyer seminars. Register for an upcoming seminar on our website, WHEDA.com. You can also access our consumer pages at WHEDA.com, which provide an extensive array of helpful resources and information to assist you on your path to homeownership. Contact WHEDA to begin your path to homeownership. WHEDA, together we build Wisconsin. The information provided is for instructional purposes only. Visit WHEDA.com for complete information on WHEDA programs and guidelines.